So my name is Anne Straube. I'm a professor at Warwick Medical School, and my research is trying to find out how intracellular transport works and how the cytoskeleton inside cells is dictating cell shape. I won a prize fellowship in 2013, and that was really on a really critical point in my career. I had started my laboratory at the Marie Curie Research Institute, but that closed down while I was just 2 years in, and I was pregnant at the time that they announced that they will close down. So, and then we had this transition to Warwick Medical School. So there was really a lot of disruption as a coming mum. So it was really difficult to really establish myself as what I wanted to be, a leader in my research field. So when I got the prize fellowship, that was really confirming that I was on the right track and I was doing great research, and somebody had faith in me that I could continue this. And really the prize fellowship helped me to retain stuff that I had built in my laboratory, and then go on to win a big grant from the Wellcome Trust in order to kind of keep my research going. So it was really a lifesaver and keeping my career going through this bit troubled time of kind of starting up my lab. And then once I was a fellow, I really, now looking back, really see the big benefit of really being part of that institute, because I get every year at the fellow meetings immersed to those diverse people who are really interested in the more medical translational aspects as well. So my research in my lab is very basic, or used to be very basic, and we have now increasingly started to think how we can make that actually more useful, and we have started to now look at mutants of those motors that do intracellular transport and are important in diseases, and try to understand them, really use our really good fundamental assays we have in order to understand also disease, and might develop some treatments in the future. So it also helped me to get on this trajectory to actually do something that is translational relevant, as well as doing hopefully great fundamental research that we do. At the current point in my career, I have just on the 1st of September taken over as head of division of biomedical sciences. So I'm starting to now take on leadership roles, nurture the next generation of scientists to come into biomedical research. Research-wise, we still do a lot of fundamental research, but we've also started to now take on aspects of more translational research into understanding disease and trying to bridge out to develop treatments and do lots of interesting things that we can do with our fundamental assays. So it's still exciting times.